Now we enter the train platform 2. Platform 2 to Hat Yai. This is the train condition. I don't know what is my train number. My train number is car number 1, seat number 20. This is seat number 3. Find car number 1, number 4, number 3. Yeah, this is wagon number 2. You look, the train quite old compared with Malaysian train and Malaysia ETS. I don't know, this is number 1 I think, but there's no number for number 3. I sit in number 20. What we have here? This is how the train look like. This is my seat number 20.